All right, everybody, so we're gonna try out the all-wheel and tire cleaner. So to do that, I'm gonna pick up the car real quick. I'm gonna come over there. It says all-wheel and tire cleaner. Heart and soul of lowriding is the wire wheel and the tires. We all know that, all the lowriders know that you can spend a half a day trying to clean your white walls. And if you wanna put up a car club plaque like these two vehicles have, it is essential that you have clean white walls before you do that. There we go, clean, right over that white wall. That white wall is good enough to apply a plaque. Look, here we go again. This product also does wheels.
Yeah, this is a non-acid cleaner, so you don't have to worry about staining or etching. You notice Joe is, hosing it on the wheel. We're not worried about, staining.
How long do you let this set?
You let it set for maybe 30 seconds or so at most. Let the product do its job. You can actually see that it's kind of foaming up. You can actually see a little bit of dirt.
You can actually see there's 100 spokes here.
Yeah, this is our tire and vinyl shine. It's non-oily, non-greasy.
We just got these white walls nice and clean and white. So is this gonna stain them? Are they gonna turn yellow?
You wanna make sure you use a fresh cloth or a fresh applicator, a good clean one. But no, it's not gonna turn your white walls yellow. You can leave it like this. It'll take a little longer to dry, but it'll give sort of a wet look to the tire if you prefer that look. Or the look that I like is that nice natural finish. So what I would do is I would take my cloth or my applicator pad and just give it a one step further. If you like that nice, that natural look, you can do that too. You see it just looks fresh and clean, and if we came back here in say a minute or so, you're gonna see that it actually dries the touch.
It's almost another all-in-one product. You could do vinyl. Of course, it says vinyl on there and leather. So there you go, everybody. Those white walls are still white, not getting tinted and yellow. There's no oil, as you can see on the wheels. Tire and vinyl shine.